In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open zip files in Gmail. Zip files are a common way to bundle multiple documents or compress large items so they send faster. I'll show you two reliable ways to open them. First through Google Drive, and then by downloading to your computer. Start in your web browser and head to Gmail. Sign in to your account as you normally would. Open the email with the zip attachment. When you hover your mouse over the attachment, look for the Google Drive triangle icon labeled Organize in Drive or Add to Drive and click it. This saves the zip directly to your Google Drive so you can open it online. Now switch over to Google Drive. Find the zip file you just saved, right-click it, and choose Open With. Then connect more apps. In the window that appears, search for Zip Extractor. Install it and allow any permissions it requests, so it can read and write files in your drive. Once it finishes installing, right-click the zip file again, choose Open With, and select Zip Extractor. Follow the prompts on screen to extract the contents. Zip Extractor will create a new folder in your drive and place all the unzipped files there, keeping everything organized and ready to open or share. This method is great if you work primarily in Drive or need to access the files on different devices without downloading. If you prefer to work on your computer, here's the other way. Back in Gmail, open the email, hover over the zip attachment, and click the download icon, which looks like a down arrow. The file will save to your computer, usually in the Downloads folder. Open that folder to locate the zip file. To extract it on Windows, right-click the file and select Extract All. Then choose where you want the files to go and confirm. On a Mac, simply double-click the zip file and it will automatically create a new folder with the contents in the same location. After extraction, open the new folder to access your documents, images, or whatever was inside, and move the files to your preferred location if needed. A couple of quick tips as you go. Only open zip files from senders you trust, and if a file looks suspicious, consider scanning it with your antivirus first. Also, if you don't see the Add to Drive icon right away in Gmail, open the message fully and hover over the attachment again. That's it. Two easy methods to open zip files from Gmail, either in Google Drive or right on your computer. If the video has been helpful and want more tips, please subscribe to the channel. It's free.